What if I told you that a small amount of money today could turn into thousands of dollars in the future? That is the power of investing. Let's learn how. Most people work hard their whole life, but still don't have enough money. Why? Because they never learned how to make money work for them. Investing simply means putting your money somewhere so it can grow over time. Instead of you working for money, your money works for you. That's it. Saving means keeping your money safe. Investing means growing your money. Both are important, but only investing can make you truly wealthy over time. If you put $10,000 in a regular bank savings account for 10 years, you may end up with around $10,500. That is only $500 growth in 10 years. Not great, but if you invested that same $10,000 in the stock market, historically, it could grow to over $21,000 in 10 years. That is more than double your money. Big difference. The secret behind investing is something called compound interest. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. Your money does the same thing. If you invest $1,000 at 10% return, after year 1, you have $1,100. After year 10, you have $2,594. You didn't add any extra money. Your money just kept growing on its own. The most important thing in investing is time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Every year you wait, you are losing money. Time is your biggest advantage. Someone who starts investing at age 25 will have far more money at age 65 than someone who starts at age 45, even if they invest the same amount every month. Starting early wins every time. Look at this. Investing just $200 per month starting at age 25 could make you a millionaire by age 65. Wait until age 45 and you may only have $150,000. Same money. Huge difference. Many people think investing is only for rich people. That is completely false. Today you can start investing with just $1. Anyone can do it. You do not need to be rich to start. Another myth. Investing is too complicated. It is not. You don't need to be a math genius or finance expert. In this series, we will make it simple, easy, and clear for everyone. People say I will start investing when I have more money. But that day never comes. The best time to start is right now, with whatever small amount you have. Waiting always costs you. So what can you actually invest in? There are many options: stocks, bonds, real estate, gold, and cryptocurrency. Each one works differently. We will cover all of them in this series. A stock means you own a tiny piece of a company. If you buy Apple stock, you literally become a part owner of Apple. When Apple makes money and grows, your stock value goes up too. A bond is like giving a loan to a company or government. They pay you back with interest over time. Bonds are safer than stocks, but they grow more slowly. Good for stability in your portfolio. In investing, there is always a trade-off between risk and reward. Higher risk investments can give you bigger returns. Lower risk investments grow slowly but safely. You need to find your balance. The good news is, you don't need to pick individual stocks. There are simple investments called index funds that automatically invest in hundreds of companies at once. We will cover this in detail later. A simple rule. Try to invest at least 10 to 15% of your income every month. Even if you start with just $50 per month, that is a great beginning. The habit matters more than the amount. To start investing, you only need 3 things. Number 1, a small amount of money. Number 2, a brokerage account. Number 3, patience and time. That is honestly all you need to begin. A brokerage account is simply an account where you buy and sell investments. Think of it like a bank account, but instead of saving money, you use it to buy stocks and funds. We will show you exactly how to open one. Many people confuse investing with gambling. They are not the same. Gambling is based on luck. Long-term investing is based on strategy and time. The stock market has grown for over 100 years consistently. Look at this. The U.S. stock market, called the S&P 500, has grown consistently for over 100 years. Yes, there are ups and downs. Here is something scary. If you just keep your money in cash, inflation eats it away slowly. $100 today will buy less in 10 years. Investing is how you beat inflation and protect your money's value. Investing is not just for you. It is for your family's future. When you build wealth through investing, you can pass it down to your children and grandchildren. That is called generational wealth. It starts with you. In this complete series, we will cover everything: how the stock market works, types of investments, how to build a portfolio, how to open an account, and much more. Step by step. Easy and simple. Just stay with us. Here is your action step for today. Make a decision. Decide that you will learn investing and you will start. That decision alone puts you ahead of most people. Write it down. Commit to it. Let's go. If this video helped you, please subscribe so you don't miss any episode in this series. We have 20 videos coming covering every single thing about investing. This is your free complete investing education. Don't miss it. In the next video, we will explain exactly how the stock market works in the simplest way possible, how stocks are bought, sold, and how prices move. You will finally understand what the stock market actually is. See you there.